What's going on, y'all? I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to kind of deaden the sound of the ping drivers without adding weight, without adding hot melt or anything that'll affect swing weight. I've done this in a 3-wood in the past, and it's worked like a charm. Sounds amazing, very muted, kind of dead thud sound. So I've found that bubble wrap does the trick, doesn't weigh anything. So ping G410, we're going to go right here, and we are going to take out the screw. Hang tight, I'll do that real quick. Comes out just like that. Alright, so now you're left with open hole. So all you do, I've already done this to my driver, so I'm not going to do it again, but you just pretty much, you're just going to take however much you want, just take some pieces and you put it up to the hole. And for me, I just took, like a skinny Allen head, and then I just worked it in there. Once I have the plastic over there, I just kind of worked it in there, work, and that's it. I'd say do less in the beginning until you get that desired feel and desired sound. I put a good amount in mine. I probably put, this much, maybe I'd say another half a sheet of that. I put that all in there. Hit it last night, and it absolutely sounds great. It's a nice kind of between a thud and a crack. Just totally took away the loud ping that ping drivers kind of have and known for. Any questions? Leave me a comment. Thanks.